So you're looking for a beautiful property to call your home that's going to give you just space and everything you could want in a home. Well, look no further, because I'm going to show you that, located in Brandywine, Maryland, and we're going to get into that right now. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany Stinney, a realtor, proudly serving the DMV, and I'm so excited to show you about this property here in Brandywine, Maryland, because it's in a beautiful community and it's gonna give you so much space. And the beauty of this too is not only do you have space, you have plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms, and you have great acreage on these lots. Now, if you're curious about this community or communities like this, feel free to hit me up on my contact below, because whether you're looking to move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, I'm happy to help you make Maryland or anywhere in the DMV your home. But you know what? It's chilly outside. Let's get inside and take a look at this gorgeous home that I know you're gonna love. So I'm located in this beautiful new construction property, and as you can see from behind me, you have so much space in here. We're starting off in the kitchen. Right behind me, you see you have a large, massive island, beautiful cabinetry and space, and back there it's currently set up as an office, so I'm not going to show you that, but you can see from behind me, I mean, honestly, y'all, to see this in person is even better, but you have this really large family room with the elevated ceiling, and up here they even have a coffered ceiling up top. Beautiful ceiling design. And if you're interested in this property itself, this model home has not yet been sold, so you can call this home. So this island I love. It has the waterfall island where the countertop comes all the way down. I didn't check, I believe this might be Calcutta or Granite, I didn't ask. Absolutely gorgeous. You have a beautiful island with your hood and a ton of cabinet space, and then you have your doors that take you outside, and then over here you have like your main family room. So absolutely gorgeous. I will go over here too, because they kind of have it set up as a, really can be anything you want, but this could be an additional wet bar. You already have one over there, plus one in the basement, so bars on bars in this house. So let's get into it. What I love about this property is right off the kitchen. So again, the kitchen is right here. You have an in-law suite. First of all, you have a half bath right here, but then you have this beautiful in-law suite right here. So let's come in here and you can just see how gorgeous it is. Personally, I love how they have it designed too. And then in addition to the half bath that I just showed you out there, you have another bathroom right here. Okay, so this is right off that main level. Great if you have guests coming in who don't necessarily want to use the stairs, or if you have parents who live with you and they don't want to live stairs, or if you just want to be on the front level, the main level, that's great as well, right? Now let's walk over here. So again, you have your half bath right here, and then over here we have, you can use this as a living room or a library, whatever works well for you. And you also have enough space to have your dining room. And they have these beautiful stairs that are gonna go upstairs, and that's what we're gonna check out next, so let's do it. Now, something they have that I personally love is they have like a split staircase, so you can go down there to the kitchen and your wet bar area, or you can come down here to your grand foyer. If you have kids, I personally love stairs like this. I always think about like prom and things like that, or if you just need to make an entrance coming down the stairs, this is the stairway for that. We're coming in this top bedroom right off the stairs, and you have, so that you have a bathroom, formerly known as a Jack and Jill bathroom. I'm just gonna call it that for today. But meaning you can access it from this bedroom over here, and you can see it from behind me, or you can come to this bedroom. So let's take a look in here real quick. This bedroom is so large. Woo! This is a beautiful bedroom. They currently have it set up as a kid's bedroom. You can do whatever you want, but as you see, really large windows, and they have some great closet space. And then we're just gonna swing around here. You can go through the bathroom, or you can come out through the hallway, and you have a second bedroom right here. I mean, gorgeous. All right, so right here you have your laundry room. You also have another bedroom. Let's just go in it actually. With another bathroom, ensuite again. And then you have, so this is now your third bedroom that we've seen, right? This one does not have a walk-in closet. That's okay. beautiful bathroom right across the hall from your laundry room. And now we're walking into the primary bedroom. Is giving primary bedroom. It is massive in here, y'all. Like, look at that. It just keeps going. And if that hasn't taken your breath away, let me swing over to this side. Look at this bathroom. Gorgeous. Now let's keep walking, because down here I see, I don't know if this is a closet. It is a very large closet. So that is right here in your primary. So you do have 2 closets. And again, you have this like sitting room. This could be like a lady lounge, a reading area, whatever, the endless possibilities. In this property, they have surround sound already installed, but then you walk across the room and you have a second large closet. Okay. Now let's take a look at that bathroom. All right, so this is the primary bathroom of your dreams, or maybe just my dreams, but this is a primary bathroom. You have a beautiful bathtub and a really massive shower there. And you have separate sinks, so on each side of the bathroom. And then you have your separate toilet area right here, right? Absolutely beautiful, and the finishes that they have in this property are amazing. Now, if you don't already have enough space, you have a basement, y'all. And you can see from behind me, the basement just keeps going. So they actually have a beautiful wet bar here, and you have an additional room back here. Let's take a look at that, because I'm pretty sure this can be, yes, this can be used as a home theater. They even already have it set up for you here with like the little level split. We're gonna walk over here, and you have another full bath right in here. You walk down this small hallway, and you're in another bedroom. And this bedroom has what's called an egress window. That's standard. You have to have that in the basement if you don't have doors that go outside, and I haven't checked. But that's just if, you know, there's ever anything, fire or anything, you're able to get out of the house quickly, okay? So usually you can't change that, but you can talk to them about it. So you have some storage space here, a really large area that you can easily set up as a family room, a game room, whatever works well for you. And the basement just keeps going, but have a beautiful wet bar. I love the finishes they have here in terms of the countertops, and I believe this is granite. The backsplash that they have is beautiful, and then it goes over here. So you have enough space in this basement to set up. I'm married to a gamer, so I think like a gamer, but you could have a game room and a TV room for everybody. You could have a pool table over here, a wet bar. I mean, there's even enough space over here to set up a game table if you need that, or a playroom, or a yoga studio, whatever floats your boat, right? And then here you do have your sliding doors to take you to outside. So, I mean, this property literally has it all. You have a ton of bedrooms, a great amount of bathrooms, great amount of space. And this model, you can still make some tweaks in this particular home. If you're interested, just holler at your girl, because this one is still available for sale. And all you have to do is literally move in. You see how gorgeous it is. So let's do it. there you have it. We toured this beautiful new construction community here in Brandywine, Maryland. Plenty of space, rooms on rooms and bathrooms and everything that your heart desires. But these are about acre lots, as you can see from behind me. So you have not only just a ton of house, but you have a ton of yard space. So, and what I love about this community in particular is it's tucked away in Brandywine. So you're not like in the busyness, in the hustle of Brandywine, but you have so many community features that are nearby. So you can still have a quiet suburban life, but be outside the city and near the city with easy accessibility. So what do you think? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments, whether you're looking to move in the next 9 days or 90 days. I'm here to help. And especially if you want to call this home, go ahead and hit me up in my contact and we'll make that happen. Until next time.